हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आईएसएसटी वर्ल्ड में आपका स्वागत है।
We shall continue lesson 16. There are a few more things which we have to discuss about block attributes. This is the last lesson we did was this. What is attribute? Defining an attribute, attribute tags, extracting the attributes, attribute visibility, application. Now we continue to learn something more about attributes. Block attributes manage, data extraction. Example, I will work out an example how a bill of material can be prepared from the drawing by making use of the attributes. Now I will open the AutoCAD drawing. This is the AutoCAD drawing. Here we will learn how to make about bill of material, and before that I will tell you what is block attribute edit. We have studied about block attribute manager. This is also we have to do block attribute manager. Here we can do a lot of settings and also we can edit. So this is an attribute manager where we have already done attributes. It is pre-prepared, so it's the R name. This is what we have done here. I will show you. So this is what we have pre-prepared. So we are opening attribute manager. This is in toolbar, modify second toolbar. That you can find out here. See this one, we have already ticked modify to, so that's why it appears there. And this is that. In this we have block attributes manager and block edit manager. This we have seen earlier, and this we will open now. This is what the block attribute manager. Resistance, this is that block which I have pre-prepared. As usual, our name, I already assigned the tag for these things. Default I have given, modes we have given, visible mode and prompt mode. Attribute annotation, I have not selected anything. Style standard, that the dimension style, and then justification left. We have selected left justification. This is a text justification. And height I have selected 20, rotation 0, that is horizontal position only, 0 angle, and width is 1, that is width between the two alphabets is 1, and oblique it is not oblique, and bounds same, and layer name, this is green one is layer name. I will just show you that. See, click on this layer name, you can see this is layer name, and then we have line type, it is by layer, color, that is also by layer, it is green color, I will show you later on, and then line weight, that is also by layer, plot style by color. Similarly, the other attributes we have selected is R value, R price, R value, and resistance, this is the prompt task star, and prompt we have set YY. These are the things. Okay. Now suppose we just click on settings. See, it shows prompt, default, everything has been selected. Suppose I clear all, you just see what is going to happen. So there will be only tags will be seen here. So whatever we select, those things will be appearing in it. For example, I select only this. Tag we cannot change, it has to remain same. Suppose I select this, only the prompt has appeared. And suppose you select default value will appear here. Similarly, I select modes will appear. That is prompt and value. Okay. And suppose I select something else, annotative, it shows no annotation. See, it shows no annotation. See. Similarly, if you select style, line styles will appear here. Standard style. Okay. Similarly, select justification. Text justification will appear here. See. Text justification. Okay. Similarly, whatever you select, height also appears like that. You can say select all. Whatever you want, you can select. Remaining, you need not tick. If you say select all, everything will appear. The properties of the entire drawing, including the objects and the lines and all properties will appear on the attribute manager, that which manages the attribute. See, you can see everything here. Okay, so many things. And suppose you want to edit, you can do it here. You can modify, you can change. Similarly, text option you can change. Properties, layers and all you can change. Okay. Similarly, the other one, all the things. Rename, remove, you can just click it on that. Whatever is highlighted, that will be removed. And synchronize, just you click on that, it is already synchronized. Move down and up, you can see it has moved to the last. Move to the up, it has moved to the top. So the order you can change it. Okay. Now I will click this. This is what I wanted to explain you about the block attribute block manager that I have explained to you. Now, see, I am going to give an example how we can extract the data. Then now I am coming to data extraction. Block attribute manager I just explained you. Data extraction and example bill of materials. Now we will deal with these two. These two goes together. So data extraction, for that we will do this exercise, then you will know how it can be extracted. See, data extraction means whatever the objects here in the drawing, those details, properties will be taken and put it in the form of Excel sheet. And this is how the data is extracted. That will show you now. So I have pre-prepared an attribute block. See, this is rename block. So you know how to prepare an attribute. I have shown you earlier. I will show you once again. Make block. The screen appears, not this. I will just show you preparing attribute. Definition attribute manager like this. Visible, constant, block, position, these things. With this we prepare. Our name we have clicked here, visible, invisible we have not clicked, verify and prompt we have clicked, and so it appeared our name. Okay, like that I have pre-prepared all these things. Okay, and cancel it. Pre-prepared everything here, this, and also a symbol of resistance, electrical resistance is drawn here. This zigzag line is the symbol for electrical resistance. So these attributes are placed here. This can be moved to any position. See, move command. See, like this. We have placed it here. And this has been saved as a block with this block. We have saved here, the block is there. See here, resistance block is there. This I have already done. So I need not save once again. Similarly, there is one more block I have prepared, that is battery. This is another block I have prepared, is just a battery. It indicates the voltage of the battery. You have an option to change its value. This you will know once I extract it. Okay. Now, what I do, this is base profile electrical outline circuit. This is an electrical circuit. This is some resistance here, another resistance here, one more resistance, one more. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistance and one battery with certain voltage. So for resistance, what I do, I will connect these things. I will extract first. Let me erase these things. I will insert the block, resistance block. First I will insert the battery block. I will click here. comes out here and insert at this position. So this is the, I have selected battery 12 volts, and if you want you can change it. Suppose we change it, we can change here itself 24 volts, and you can also abbreviate it as V if you want. Okay, so either you click or select it like this in attribute manager, or you can call that attribute manager here. See, I've shown you where this is attribute manager. You can call it, and you select the battery, here battery, whatever block attributes are, everything will be shown here, and you click on this. You want to edit, the settings are shown here, all these things are shown here, and you want to edit, you click on this, and here layer and other things you can edit, and text blocks you can change voltage, whatever voltage you want to have you can change it here automatically. It will get changed. Default you can change, or click on this you can edit it. Okay, edit either from the block manager or here directly you can edit. Okay, now I have selected road, this positive, negative, this is terminal. Now I will insert the resistance. Resistance, click here, I can always insert. See, it's already, the values have been selected, default values are shown here. Okay, insert another one, and we can set some values here directly. See, R name, we'll call it as R1. Okay, and this is R value of the resistance. Say we will say 120 ohms. Okay, 120 ohms. And one more is Z. This is the value. That is price. Price we can say either rupees or dollars. Suppose you want to say in dollars, we can say in dollars. 0.5. Just indicative value. It's not actual values. I mean prices is, if you don't know the price, we just put some value arbitrarily. Okay, apply it. See, this layer you can just see here. This layer green, this is name layer. Okay, price, this is the price layer. I have selected value on the layer is selected, and battery, a red layer is selected. We'll see whether it is battery. We'll see layer what is selected here. Properties for 0. I will change it to battery layer. Here I can click, change it to battery. Okay, and suppose you want to text option, you want to change the height of the text and all that, you can obviously change it. Value you can put it here 50 height, it appears bigger. Okay, this is how we can change it. And I have inserted one block here, values have been assigned, and I will select one more resistance block. Click here, enter, click. Okay, now saved, and now we have name. We can give it as R2. Apply R2. Click. Okay. And this will say 150 ohms. And this price will say something like 0.75 dollar. You can mention if you want. Okay. So similarly, we can call one more. Here, I will click it here, 90 degree 270. Okay, this is inserted. Now, similarly, you can change the price. It asks for the price, change it to $1.5. Okay, y is the value, say 250 ohms. Apply and name. You can see resistance R3. Okay. Now, similarly, we can add another two more. We add on. Okay, here also you can change the values. This we can call R4. This we can see value, say 50 or 80 ohms. See, everything is arbitrary, we can say. Consider the price, you can say $0.5. Now we have one more. See, you can either insert from there or you can directly copy. So I can copy from here the blocks. Just you click here, can insert or copy. Now you change the values. R4, we make it R5, 5, and then value is say 250, 300 ohms, and dollar you can say 2.5, something like that. Okay, so this is how. Now we have prepared the entire circuit diagram with resistances. It is actually designed and then the values have been added here. What are the resistance required? This is from electrical application. Battery also have prepared one attribute and value I have given 24. Values you can change also if you require. So this is how it is prepared. Now from this I will now let you know how we can extract the data. So that is the main our object. See, extract data, there is the modify, this is the extract data. Similarly in tool menu, in the pull down menu also there is some extract data is there somewhere, either edit or some portion, maybe view, in some other place it is there. So now if you just find out, you can always get it. Modify possibly somewhere here. You can extract data from some of these things, properties and all that. But now at present we have modified two. Here we have the toolbar to extract data. See, we click on this, we show extract drawing data and merges data from the external source to a data extraction table or external file. Exports object properly, draw attributes and drawing information to data extraction table or to an external file and specify a data link to an Excel spreadsheet. So now I will just demonstrate how this can be directly goes on an Excel sheet. Now what we do is click on this. See, there is on screen up here data extraction. This actually computer will do and we have to just follow it. See, here there are two columns. One is create a new data extraction or use previous extraction as a template. That is, previously you have some Excel file, you want to template file with Excel, all the columns and all depicted properly, headlines, everything, and then you can click this, you can call that here like this, you can call. Now, or edit existing extraction data, edit also you can do like this, you can go there and extract the edit data. Now at present what I am doing is, I am creating a new data extraction, okay, for this join. So I click on this, create a new extraction data, then I click next. There's nothing here, click next. It asks you where to save, just a minute. This is not done, create an extraction data. One second, we'll come once again. Maybe some steps have been skipped, let us see. It's okay. Same thing. So first stage and next click it, and you have to save it. You saved as DXC file. So what we do is, you select somewhere some file. Now I am arbitrarily selecting one folder and putting it there. See here, CSR folder, here, and I will go to AutoCAD, here I am saving. I can call, it's already there on BOM, bill of material exists, so I will save there, I will rename it. Or you can save as a separately. So now I am saving as on the same, so it will be overwritten. Whatever, some data is available already, and that will be overwritten. If the data you don't want to overwrite, then you have to save as BOM1 or something like that. A separate file is created. Now I will save it as BOM and click. It is filed as DXC file. Click on this. So it asks you whether you refresh. If a new data is there, it doesn't ask you. If you save as a new file, it doesn't ask. Now since already one file is there, it asks you. Click it yes. Now, here we come. Object sheet set, include current drawing. Select object from the current drawing. We'll click this. Include, select object from the current drawing. Or include from the current drawing also we can say, or we can select here. Otherwise what we have to do, drawing sheet set we have to correct. Otherwise we have done only one drawing here. So we'll select this. So we'll select object from the current drawing. Then you can click on that and select it. Before that I will show you some more detail. Settings. So extract the data, extraction settings we have to see. Extract object from blocks. See, only objects can be extracted from the blocks, and extract object from X reference. X reference is another term used for a different type of file that I will discuss in the next class. And this is not, there is no X reference, and uncheck this. Include X reference block from include objects in model space. See, there is no other, this is called model space, this screen, and layout 1, layout 2 is called as paper space. Paper space there is nothing, and you can just select extract from object in the model space. You can click this. Okay. Now, settings I have shown you. Now, we have to extract the data. So, select object from the current drawing, click on this, and you have to select. Either you can select only individually one, or you want to have the data, the entire drawing, then you have to select the entire thing. So click as window. So it gives an opportunity to select the entire thing inside a rectangle. Click it and select and press return. Here is once again. So here you have selected, then you click next. So here comes another screen, angle, area, author, battery, block unit, closed, color, everything is coming out here. 3D attribute, so many things, some more details, 3D visual, these are the things which are covered here. Okay, so I will first click the entire thing, let it be there, and then I will come how to select other things. And click on this, and now, so You can reorder if you want, you can sort it and reorder these things. You know in the Excel how to reorder. The same way you have to follow that. Okay, these are the various attributes. See, all are selected. File accessed, file created, file last saved, and a folder, a file modified, all these things. So, identical column, short column, everything will be there. Either we can link with external data, another data you can transfer there, or sort column by options, we can select which is first, which is second. These are all similar to Excel, which I won't explain you can follow Excel method. And now I will click next. It asks you. Now insert data extraction table into the drawing. Either you can insert the table into the drawing, or you can save it as an output file. So I will save it as an output file now. So it asks you where it. What you do is you can change this output file. Click. You can change this. This is somewhere here. I will bring it to the same folder. You can save anywhere, but for simplicity, I will bring it to the same folder. I have somewhere here. Here. So POM already exists, but I will redo it and save. Ask you save. Okay. Next, click it. Finish. Now we can see on the Excel sheet the entire thing, what all the data have been extracted. I will show you that. Excel sheet, you go, open the Excel sheet there. Like this, AutoCAD, see here bill of material, I can open this. See, so many data are there in the simple drawing. See, the first line will be headings. You can highlight and change the way you need, make it block like this. And these are the heading, and then comes your count number 1, 2, 3, like that count how many objects are there. Attribute definition by layer, what we have defined is by layer. This is comments, any comments is there you can give. Constant, that is what we saw in the attribute as constant. That is not, nothing is there. Constant attributes are not there. And then drawing, revision number, whatever is there, that we have not done anything. Drawing revision number, it is not there. And here it shows only 00, that's why. Number we have not given. File access, that also is not there. File lost, admin file locked, file location, where is it? The directory, where we have saved it, this is given, each one of that. And file mode, modified, any file has been modified. See, this is modified, the timings it gives. At this date and this, like that, when it was modified, all these things it gives. See. Okay. And file name, that is bill of material, POM drawing in the direction. File size, how much is the file size, the single file, all are the same. Height, this is the alphabetical height, 20, 25, 20, all of them. Hyperlink is not discussed now. Invisible is also not, keyword is not, a layer. Layers, what are the layers? Values one layer, price is one layer, name is one layer, like that. And what are these layers? Definition, like this line is in 0 layer, other layer is, this is the name is in, attribute definition is name layer, like that. It gives all those things. Okay, line weight is also given, drawing, type, and all the things. What we are instructed normally bill of material is the position, this is x coordinate, y coordinates, and here come prompt. What is the resistance. This is dollars. This is name. It's voltage. Similarly, the next one is dollars. There are 5 attributes. No, 5 resistances. Each one of that it gives the values. R value is the tag what is given, and initially the edit values are X, X, Z, and then it gives the values here. Here 1.5 is value initially, say $12, 12 volts, this is Z, and here it gives delta and all that thing will be given. Okay, this is how we can change. Now, I will close this. I will extract only what is required for us. Okay. I once again do the extraction. Now I will show you how we can select the settings. What we need. Only if you want to need only the block attributes, values and other things, we can select. It becomes a bill of material. I will click here and create from a data extraction. Create from new data extraction as usual. Click here and call it as bill of material, and you replace it, and then include current drawing. Instead of that, you select the object from the drawing. Settings here. I have to select like this. Then we go to settings. So extract from X reference is not there. Click this. Object in the drawing. Model space. So this is called model space. I selected it. And even if you select the paper space, nothing will be visible. Okay. Next, select this. We don't want 3D visualization, we don't want drawing, you don't want to drawing property, the layer properties and all that you don't want. And general you don't want, geometry you don't want, miscellaneous you don't want, text you don't want, attributes only these things. I will see what are things we get in this. Okay? And then now, this is what it appears. So these are the things. Plot the bill of material. Count, resistance, name of the resistance, battery, or value. This is what normally we are interested in the bill of material. Because we are not interested in layer, size and all that. When you want to prepare a bill of material. So these are the things only you are interested in. So next, click next. So then output you save. So I will save it in some other directory. Like this, click this, go there. Sanjeev. Then here I will replace. Last time you have seen so many things for their properties. Now you just see what are the properties available for us. Click here. Finish. Now we will go to bill of material, Excel sheet, select, here, and like this. See. It's just bill of material. So it has taken whatever is required, only attributes selected. So it has taken only name, resistance. See resistance, name of the resistance is R name. So R1. R1 resistance will have $5.5 and 120 volts. Similar battery, 24 volts only battery, there is no other thing. And this polyline which has come, you don't worry about it, you forget about it, because that is only drawing part of it, the line we have drawn. Resistance to R2, you have here $0.7, R5 is 2.5, R4 is and 16 attribute. This is also normally we don't require. So it appears and we can delete. So this is how we can prepare a bill of material, a list of parts, bill of material, a list of parts by making use of the drawings available with us. And that is drawings having attributes. Okay, this is how we can prepare this class example I have given you is the properties and usage of attributes, this and this together complete this. In the next class we will deal with the X reference and other things, and some more things. This is X reference, understanding application, X reference, etc. And also we have to discuss some miscellaneous commands that also we will discuss in the next class. Now I am going to close this.